Well, here it is. Not going so great. I'm at 59%, and I'm going to drain this battery all the way to empty. So I'm going to take it from 16 all the way to 0. Get everything I can out because tomorrow is cloudy and I got to move on. So I got no more available spots here. So they're kicking me out. I got 60% to go find a new home. Leg 2, the solar Cannonball Run. So a few people helped me out here. I had one gentleman help me collapse all the stands and get those packed up, and then 2 more people stopped by and helped me pack up all the panels, bring them over to the car. So made quick work of the tear down and packing job. And I'm back on the road. Here I go again. I've got 60% and I plan to go 200 miles. So I did some quick scouting and found a state park 200 miles away. I figure I can make it, so I'm going to go for it and see what happens. Here I pulled it up on Google Earth. I found the best way to get elevation changes is to go plot the route on Google Earth, then right click on the route and select elevation, and then you can see your total gain and your total loss. And then I've built a little Excel spreadsheet where I can type in total gain, total loss, and with a few efficiency assumptions of energy in, energy out, starting with the battery through the inverter, or the inverter to drive the motor, and then the motor efficiency, and then the gearbox efficiency, drivetrain efficiency losses. Kind of account for some rough estimates, all that. I get how much energy I regain from going downhill and how much it costs me to go uphill. And from that, I kind of estimate how far I think I can make it, and then monitoring the energy use in the Tesla to verify that I actually can make it. So that's how I've been kind of calculating this. I tried a better route planner, and it maybe it works, and I'd have to calibrate it, but there's a lot of black box calculations behind the scene. I didn't want to trust something that I couldn't control all the data points on. So I might try it and incorporate it more later, but for now I'm just going to rely on the Tesla data feedback along with my Excel calculations. So anyhow, I'm getting close to destination, and as usual, I'm getting kind of low. I'm at 4%, and I get on this dirt gravel road, and I'm at about 4%, and it says I'll get there at 4%, which is kind of concerning. What's wrong with the computer? But it ends up being mostly downhill and mostly true. I get there at 4%. But I'm thinking to myself as I'm descending down this dirt road in the middle of nowhere that I don't know what I've got myself into. I have no clue where I'm at. I'm in the middle of nowhere. And I get to this place and it's just empty. I mean, I don't even know if it's closed for the season. There's nothing there. It's like 3 a.m. in the morning, so I just kind of pull in, stop, move some stuff around in the car, lay down in the passenger seat, and settle in for a nice sleep in the car, hoping that in the morning I can check this place out and see where I end up. Now, after a little bit, I pull up the satellite image, and I don't know, maybe I'm not in the middle of nowhere. It looks like there's some stuff around here, so I guess I'll have to wait till the morning to figure out where I am and what the heck's going on. And am I going to be able to charge here?